In this video, we are going to see how we can share the Google Gemini chat with someone. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. All you have to do is, let's say that you want to share this chat with your colleague. What you have to do is just find that chat, and next to it is this three dots. We click on that and you immediately get an option of share conversation. We click on that and it will create a shareable link, and it will also copy that link in the clipboard. After that, if you want to share it with someone on, let's say, WhatsApp or any social media website, you can just copy this link here and paste it in the chat or wherever you want to share it. Let's say on Gmail or something else, you can just share that link and they should be able to interact with you on the same chat. Now, what to do if you want to delete the excess? So for example, whenever we want to delete it, we click on the three dots again, click on share conversation, and we click on delete that, click OK. And whatever you have shared, you can easily delete it from the public link. Click on delete and it will no longer be shared with anyone publicly. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.